How to turn off limits on Instagram. So all you have to do is to tap here on your Instagram application and it will lead you here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. I want you to tap on your profile there and it will lead you here, basically your profile area. Now, on the upper right, you will see 3 dash lines there. Tap on that and tap on settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to tap on privacy, and here you will see these a lot of options actually, but I want you to focus on the interaction section. You will see hidden words and limits. So as you can see, I have turned off my limits there. Now if it's actually turned on here, example this, if you have turned on your limits, as you can see here, limits is currently turned on. Just tap on that, and on the bottom part you'll see the blue button there. Tap on turn off and you have turned off your limits. And basically that is how you turn off limits on Instagram. Now if it's not working, you can go to App Store or your Play Store depending on what device you have, and tap on Instagram there, and just make sure that you have updated your application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.